Let's make a single crochet border around this granny square. Finish your round like you normally do by putting a slip stitch into the top of that chain 3. Now chain 1 and do a single crochet back into that same stitch. Then a single crochet into the next 2 double crochets. Now we're going to work into our corner and we want to keep that sharp edge. So do 1 single crochet into that corner space, followed by a chain 2, and then 1 single crochet back into the chain space. Now we are going to do 1 single crochet into all the double crochets across. Remember, on this granny square, we did not chain 1 in between the clusters, so there will be no single crochet into a space. You just go across the top and put 1 single crochet into all the double crochets. We are at our next corner, so we're going to do 1 single crochet into that corner space, chain 2, and then 1 single crochet back into that corner space. And then repeat a single crochet into all the double crochets. Now be careful you don't miss that first double crochet because sometimes it can get smushed in with the corner. And continue with your single crochets all the way down, and then in your corners remember to do 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet. Then at the end you will slip stitch into the first single crochet that you made. And fasten off with your favorite technique. Feel free to experiment. Sometimes it is hard to get those corners just right. If you're having a hard time getting that sharp edge, try to do 1 single crochet, chain 3, and 1 single crochet in the corner. Or you can even try to do a 2 single crochet, chain 2, 2 single crochet. Don't forget to add this to your favorites and give me a follow. Happy crocheting!